People of the internet, come closer. Let me show you how I went from looking like who did I offend to who is this hot girl. Yes, so I made this entire hairstyle myself using crochet extension. No stylist, no mirror at the back, just vibe, hope and strong determination. Sit tight. This glow up is a DIY with drama. And we're about to slay together. So I started with clean hair because we can't be attaching new blessings to old wahala. Killer day. I moisturized, sectioned it in the best way I could. Don't look too close, oh, because the pattern is a big. This not a salon. Just your girl, her fingers, and a comb that's been going through a lot. Cornrows was what I did. Neat. Just enough to hold the crochet and my confidence together. We move. I call this the hook loop pull braid method. You first of all put the crochet through the hair you've made, and then you poke the crochet pin at the base of the hair you are ready to crochet, and then you secure the strands of the hair on the crochet pin. You close it and then you pull through. This is where the struggle begins. Para goddess, peace, you goddess. Hair, please obey. No disgrace to ancestors. You can see how I pulled it through. After pulling it through, I got the kinky that I will use to tie it together. Before tying, I wrapped my hair around the dread extension, and then I got the kinky, which you can see have to be the same color with the dread extension. Then I tied through the dread extension like my rent depends on it. You can see how I'm tying it gently, gently, so they don't chase me out of my house. You don't necessarily tie it, you just wrap it around, wrap the kinky extension around the dread extension. You don't necessarily need to tighten it. Just as you're wrapping, just be wrapping it so that it is loose and it doesn't so the size from the beginning of the hair and the extension are the same. So it doesn't look bulky at the beginning and then looks tiny at the end. No. The first few took me 10 minutes each. I won't lie. My arms were crying, my mirror were judging me, but I kept going. At some point, I looked like a mob. A cute mob, but still. I told myself, peace, we didn't come this far to look confused. And just like that, we were halfway through and almost finishing. Don't worry, you will see the vision. It's now very clear. The vision is very clear now. You can see how it's coming together. Kudos to me. After installation, it was time for a little shape up. I snipped the end like a pro. Gave it layers, make it fluffy. I did all by myself, but it was off camera. Honestly, I was feeling like a CEO of my own beauty salon by this point. Hey, listen up, guys. It's Peace Diaries in the building. This is the finished look of the hair. I didn't just stop at looking cute. I went full glam with different hairstyles, each one unique. Style number one, high puff buns. You can call it high puff buns. A car on your donut king you know. The style is giving class. The style is giving chic. And now let me show you that you can put it on the other side, the left hand side or the right hand side, whichever way that suits your face. You can style it this way, and oh wow, so beautiful, classic, chic. Style number two, the side part sleeve. Soft, romantic, giving I'm booked but not busy. You did try, you did whine. Look how I'm feeling myself. Come closer, come closer. This is style number three. Two puff puff. Two puff puff, not buns. Buns is not there. This is two puff puff. It's looking playful, it's giving the youthful vibe, and slightly dangerous. Don't come close. Are you seeing the pattern? Clean. Man, I did feel myself. That's if I get who want pay bride price. I'm taking already, door. This next style is giving freestyle. Oh, I don't want wahala. I don't want stress. Just free me. Free me now. It's giving. Look at the glory of God. It's all over me. See that smile now. I need to advertise for close up. What the fuck? So guys, there are different ways of styling this hair. I just made this hair myself and I'm proud of myself. Ooh. Oh. Different ways to style the hair. Different ways to style the hair. Kindly rate this hair from 1 to 10. I made this hair myself. Let me know what you think. Rate my skills. Did I try? Is it a good one? Just rate it. Is it beautiful? Let me know in the comment section. And let me also know if you would try this yourself too. Man, it's not easy, but it's kind of therapeutic for me. I just love creating and I'm doing things myself. And this is one of the way I try to, just do things for myself, be by myself, meditate, and think. Just think. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think, and let me know your ratings. Will you try this yourself? If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, I am Peace and welcome to Peace Diaries. So please do well to like, subscribe, leave a comment in this comment section, and until I come your way next time, remain blessed, remain peaceful, Remain kind and love yourself. Bye.